Good morning. Thank you for coming in today. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me a little about your background?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. I will introduce myself first. My name is Juliana Hamida, and I recently graduated from UPN Veteran Yogyakarta with a degree in environmental engineering. During my studies, I developed a strong interest in health, safety, and environmental issues, which is why I am excited about the opportunity to work as an HSE officer.
That's great to hear, Juliana. Can you tell me about any relevant coursework or project you worked on during your studies that will be applicable to this role?
Okay, ma'am. During my studies, I took courses such as industrial hygiene, environmental regulation, and risk management. For my final project, I conduct a comprehensive risk assessment for a simulated mining operation. It's involved in identifying potential hazard, analyzing risk factor, and developing mitigation strategies. This experience has equipped me with the skill to assess and manage risk effectively in a mining environment.
Can you tell me more about your internship experience? What's where you can respond safety tools and what did you learn?
Certainly, during my internship at Numa Company, I was involved in conducting safety inspection and hazard assessment. I also helped in creating safety training material and participate in safety meetings. One of the key lessons of learned was the importance of clear communication and through documentation in maintaining safety standards. I also realized how crucial it is to be proactive in defining and identifying potential hazard before they become issue.
Is a recent graduate, what do you think is your mistake that you can bring to our healthy, safety, and environmental team?
I believe my biggest strength is my strong analytical skill combined with a proactive attitude. I'm very detail-oriented and always strive to identify a potential issue before they become problems. Additionally, I am highly motivated to learn and grow within the role, bringing fresh perspective, innovative ideas to the team.
It's good to hear that you're eager to learn. Can you describe when you had to work as a part of the team to achieve a goal? How did you contribute to the team's success?
Certainly, during my internship in industrial plant, I was part of the teamwork on improving the facility emergency response plan. My role was to conduct safety drills and evaluate the effectiveness of our procedure. I contribute by providing detailed feedback and significantly enhance the emergency preparedness of the facility.
Excellent. Working in a mining environment can be demanding. How do you handle high pressure situation and ensure the safety standards are maintained?
Okay, I handle high pressure situation by staying calm, organized, and focused on the tasks at hand. I prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance, and I make sure to communicate clearly with my team. Regular training and drills are also crucial. They ensure that everyone knows their role and can act quickly and efficiently in case of an emergency. By staying prepared, we can maintain high safety standards even under pressure.
This a good approach. Finally, where should we choose your for this position over the candidates?
While I might be a recent graduate, my academic background, hands-on project experience, and dedicated to HSE make me strong candidate. I bring a fresh perspective, a strong work ethic, and commitment to continuous improvement. I'm confident that my skill and enthusiasm will make a valuable contribution to your HSE team.
Thank you, Juliana. We appreciate your attention and thorough response. We will be in touch soon regarding the next steps.
Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of working with your team. Thank you.
Dah. Thank you